got you. I'll take care of it.
I do not trust them guys when they will come inspect me.
Yeah. All right, YouTube. So I got this plastic roof cement right here. Hopefully you can see that in real good view there. And I have this chimney right here that I want to reseal. You see the pitch on the roof here. I kind of got to get a running start. I used to be scared to be on the roof, but not so much anymore. I say all the time, man, I don't know what happened, but I just jump on these roofs nowadays and go after it. Rip it off. All right. Yeah, I like the way it come off in one big sheet. We're here now. Hopefully y'all got a good view. Got my can, got my butter. Remember that baby boy? He said, life ain't nothing but guns and butter. Whoa, slapping it all over the place already. About 2 more cans. I think I said that the last time. Finish off the back here. Nice little application. Oh man, I ain't never gonna be able to use these pants again. All right. 3 sides done. We'll get a little bit more. I learned from Bob Ross. I'm trying to make little trees. Woo, look at that right there. That's sexy right there. Filling that hole. Might just put my name on it. How's it looking, John? I need an inspection, sir.
Man, you put a new chimney on there.
What's that?
You got a new chimney now.
New chimney. Come on this side, tell me what it look like. Thought I was done on this side, but like I can work my way over here. Half Moon Crescent.
Oh my.
Looking good?
Yeah, marvelous.
Marvelous, baby, marvelous. Amen.
Driving that, I'd say if you get a mom or something, you did perfect.
Yeah, man.
How's that sound? That's a perfect.
Woo! Look at that finish. Woo, Bob Ross, baby.
I know, you be careful.
Oh yeah, yes, ma'am.
I hate you.
Oh, I'm comfortable. Can I get a
He mentioned back work. He's comfortable with it.
can I get a some popcorn and a soda?
Right for Pepsi or water?
Oh, I'm good. I'm just teasing. I wasn't know. I will take a Pepsi, but when I get down.
Oh, okay. Well, you sure? Up there.
Yes, sir. It's looking
Big difference. I took a picture of it beforehand.
looking good, ain't it? I like the way it looked too.
I know you probably was surprised. Can you say this is the first chimney you did?
Yes, sir. Won't be the last.
I'm going to say now you're going to say, hey, I can prove it because you made a YouTube of it. There's my proof.
There you go. There you go. I just can't stop touching it.
I noticed that. I said, okay, he shot. You want to make it perfect that you feel perfect.
I like that. I like that half moon crescent look, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, make it look good.
It makes it look like you look with it one direction with it.
Yeah,
Same way.
like he cared.
That should have lasted that 50 years.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That look good. Who else want their chimney done?
He did bottom.
Job well done, Handy Danny. Job well done. All right, man. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe. Clean up my mess. Somebody remind me to pick that up. And thanks for watching. Look at that chimney right there. Look at that chimney from the ground. Woo, baby. Tomorrow I'm gonna go back up there, paint them little flanges once it dries out in a day or so. I might make a video doing that too. All right, thanks for watching. Peace out.